Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about ADA. But before that, thank you for the support on my first video. I really appreciate it, so thank you guys. Now, before we begin, I would like to ask everyone to subscribe. But now, let's get started. As you can see, I've been changing few things around me, so I hope the quality is a little bit better. Now, talking about ADA. What is happening? Look at these guys, look at this. I don't know if you noticed, probably not, but we went down to the first level of support, which is actually good, yeah. It's good because we went down a lot, yeah, and that means that we may go lower. And this is what is going to happen. I'm not 100% sure, yeah, because, you know, it's impossible to predict the market. But what is possible is to understand the signals that the market is giving us. So now, let me show you what I think the market is telling us. Basically, the first thing we need to look at is this. What we can see that there are 3 lower highs in a row, but the lows are all the same, yeah? So this is the bottom, yeah? The point is that the top is like this, so we are having something like this, we are having this kind of pattern, which has a name, it's not something new, yeah. The name of this pattern is called descending triangle. You can Google it if you want, but we're not here for that, sorry. Let me show you where the descending triangle is first. It's here, let me draw a better line because I didn't like that one at all, look like. We can do something like this, come on. It's not that important, I'm not gonna lie. It's not like we're going to use this line to do anything apart from this video. And I think you can see the bottom, so I'm gonna use another tool to make the bottom, because the bottom is not a line, but it's more of a area. Let me delete this. Okay, so this is our triangle, yeah? Does it look like a triangle to you? Maybe, but anyway, wait a second, here we go, look at this beautiful triangle, yeah? So I'm gonna draw this line as well, just to make it. Okay, so now I think everyone can see this triangle, yeah? What is this triangle? This triangle stands for a continuation in the current pattern, yeah? So if the primary trend is the downtrend, yeah, so if let's say now we're going down, this pattern is actually helping us to understand that the market is going down and that most likely there is going to be a continuation of the current trend. Now, let's see. I'm using the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, yeah. In the last month, basically I've been going down a lot, yeah. And this is the first time that this pattern appears. And I think this pattern is here more to clarify to everyone what is going to happen, yeah. And you know, I think it's something that we really need to be aware of, that ADA is not bullish, yeah. And I would like to show you Bitcoin as well really quick. So Bitcoin is basically doing the same thing, but a little bit different. Let me show you really quick. So this is Bitcoin, yeah. As you can see, it even failed to reach the line, yeah. So it failed to reach the resistance level, which is bad, yeah, which is bad for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin at the moment is doing this, yeah. Changing the lines. So Bitcoin at the moment is doing this. This is not bad, yeah, but this, it's a continuation pattern as well. To be honest, this is what Google says, yeah. If you Google it, it's going to tell you that most likely it's a continuation pattern, yeah. So it's not like a proper continuation pattern. What I mean is that most likely it's a continuation pattern, which means that if we are bearish, we will keep going down, yeah, which is fair enough. But by experience, I saw this pattern so many times, and sometimes it could actually represent a reversal pattern. Yeah, it's not because the pattern itself is bullish, but it's it's more like what the people want. Yeah, because the cryptocurrency market, I'm not gonna say it's easy to control, but it's not hard either. Yeah, it's not like controlling the price of a big company such as Microsoft or anything. Yeah, if somebody wants to move the price of an altcoin, it's a little bit easier to do so. So that's why we cannot rely too much on the patterns we see, but they are a good proof of whatever is going to happen. So basically, if we're in a bearish market, a continuation pattern appears, yeah, most likely we're going to dip again. And we know that if Bitcoin goes below 40, what was it? I think it was, yeah, if Bitcoin goes below 42k, then this bearish market is going a little bit lower than we are expecting, yeah, which is good for everyone because we can buy things cheaper. But it's important to keep Bitcoin because we need to pay attention to what the money in the market are doing. And using Bitcoin as an example, yeah, as the representative of the market is the best choice we can make. Because we know that at the moment 40% of the money in the market are in Bitcoin, yeah. So we know if that Bitcoin is going down, yeah, most likely the rest of the market is going to follow, or something else in the market is going to rise. But now let's go back to ADA. At the bottom here we can see this candle. Yeah, this is called an inverted hammer. An inverted hammer at the bottom, yeah, of a chart represents a change in pattern, which is basically a trend reversal. Now, for this candle to end, there are actually basically 1 hour and 20 minutes left, which could actually change everything. Yeah, this could be actually a green candle, but looking at the previous one, yeah, looking at these small candles here, it feels like people love buying in the 1.18 and 19 area. So it means that there is a lot of requests of ADA at this price, which is good. But even so, yeah, look, ADA went down to 1.80, yeah, 1.18, sorry. So it went down to 1.18. What happened? The price went up a little bit, yeah. So the price went up to 1.24, which is 5%. But this is not people investing in the market. These are the traders making money out of the market. So whatever happened here at 12 o'clock, yeah, this, where is it? 12 o'clock here, yeah. So whatever happened in this area, these are the traders, yeah. So the trader bought here and sold here, making 4% profit-ish. So this is what happened. So it's not something to be surprised of, the fact that ADA went up in price, yeah, because we had our double top, as you can see. Then we went down. This was our first bottom. Up again, down again, second bottom, then we're going to touch resistance, and then we're going down. Yes, this is what is going to happen. I am more of a trader than an investor. So I've been trading in the 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart, 30 seconds, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour. So I can easily tell you how the market goes at a lower price. So when I say that this is bearish, it's because most likely it's going to happen, yeah? Now, if you ask me, Seb, what are the possibilities that ADA is going to drop below this price, which is 1.18? I will tell you, listen, I'm not 100% sure, but I think the possibilities of ADA dropping below that level are actually quite high. Yeah. So if I want to buy now, as I said, this area is not wrong, but this is where I want to get into the market. And it's been, guys, I think months. Maybe not months, but maybe few weeks, yeah, that I'm keep saying that this is the level where we want to get into the market. Now it's getting closer and closer. We need to be careful because there could actually be a breakout, as I said. Yeah, this pattern is not like, how can I say, something that is going to happen 100%. Yeah, it's not a pattern that it's 100% a continuation pattern. As I said, by experience, I can easily tell you that any single pattern could actually fail. Yeah, but at the moment for ADA, there is not much choice. Yeah, ADA, it needs to go up or down. Yeah, let's be honest, it's getting squeezed by the pattern. Yeah, it's getting closer to the apex, which is this one. Yeah, so it's getting closer, and at some point it needs to go up or down. It cannot go straight. Yeah, this is what I mean. So when we know that ADA cannot go straight and it cannot get any closer to the apex, yeah, so this is the, let's say, the ultimatum. Yeah, so it cannot go after this. So basically in the few hours, which is maybe even tonight, yeah, by the time you see the video, ADA will be or down or up. Yeah, and at the moment it's nothing that is going to tell me that it's going up apart from this inverted hammer candle, which is here. Let me show you again. So this is the only reason that I may say that ADA is going up. Yeah, but as I said, there is still 1 hour missing for that candle to end. Yeah, so that means that most likely that is not even going to be an inverted hammer. Yeah, so if we don't have any sign of reversal, if we have a strong sign of continuation pattern, it means that we are actually in a bad position. Yeah, and guys, even looking at Bitcoin, yeah, the situation doesn't look great. I'm gonna look at Solana because yesterday I talked about Solana for like 2 seconds. Where is Solana? I lost it. It was here. Oh my god. Where is Solana? I cannot see it, and I click on it like 24 times per day. Here we go. Solana, yeah. Solana in the 4-hour time frame doesn't make much sense, but look, yesterday I said that Solana was going to have a head and shoulder pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and it happened. Yeah, sort of. It's a small pattern, but it happened, which is good. Then it went up, it went down, sorry, and then up again, and now we need to see whatever is going to happen. The point is that Solana is got a little bit more buying pressure at this level, which is 1.67, at least more than Cardano, because we have a strong level of support here, as you can see. But still, if everything goes down, it will go down again. Yeah, look, I'm gonna use the 15-hour time frame. Yeah, look at this point. Yeah, we had our high, then we had a lower high here, then we had our bottom, and now there is another bottom that needs to appear. So basically we're going like this. Oh, sorry, I cannot draw straight lines by hand, so we're going like this, sort of. Yeah, really quick. Now then we went up, down, up, and then now down again. Most likely we're going to find resistance here, and then we will drop. So it's, for me, it's much easier to predict when something will go down more than when something will go up. Why is that? It's because the bearish signals are really clear. Now we're going to talk about the Bitcoin dominance really quick, just 1 second, yeah. The Bitcoin dominance went down here. I'm using the 4-hour time frame. It went up again, find the resistance on the 200 EMA line. It went down, up again, and then down. Most likely because as you can see, we have our higher low, which is actually bullish. So it will go down and then up, then down again, finding support, and then maybe it will start going upwards. What does that mean? It means that people are selling their altcoins, yeah, and they're buying Bitcoin, yeah, which is not good for the altcoins, because when people are scared of the market that's going down, they're running into Bitcoin, you know, for 2 reasons. The first one, to buy Bitcoin at a lower price, and the second one is because they know Bitcoin is more stable than the other altcoins. If I show you really quick this, yeah, against Cardano, yeah. Let me delete this line, so 1 second. Okay. I'm missing the 4-hour time frame on both. No, I'm not. Nice. Here we go. Now, as you can see, when the Bitcoin dominance was really low, yeah, such as 40%, ADA was at its highest level at the time, yeah. Look, is exact precise moment. Here, when Bitcoin was up a lot, look at what it was, yeah. Now let's go to the present. Bitcoin was high, Bitcoin dominance was high, sorry, ADA was low, Bitcoin dominance was low, and ADA was high, yeah. Now it's happening the opposite, which is Bitcoin dominance is going to increase and it is going to decrease, yeah. I hope everything makes sense, and this is really important to understand how the dominance impacts our market, yeah. So it's not like when I'm talking about the dominance, I'm talking about something that's not related to whatever we're talking about, yeah. Whatever I'm saying is related with ADA, it's related with Solana, it's related with Ethereum, it's related with Bitcoin. So we know that when the Bitcoin dominance is decreasing, the altcoins are going up, and when the Bitcoin dominance is increasing, the altcoins are going down. This is really easy. It's something that we saw a few seconds ago. It's something that makes sense, I hope. So, guys, the chances that ADA will go up are 1 against 9, yeah. So if the total amount of possibilities are 10, yeah, the possibility that ADA will go up, it's only 1. Yep. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy a bit more of explanation behind what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm trying to show you the reasons why I'm saying things, and hopefully you can understand a little bit better a few things which are important. To be honest, I don't mind talking more as long as we talk about important things such as dominance, such as teaching everyone new things and maybe being right. For now, I'm not gonna say I've never been wrong, but it's a little bit complicated for me to be wrong when we're talking about support and resistance and strong signals. Yeah, it's not about being wrong or right. It's more like following what the market is doing. Yeah, the most important thing when you're trading or investing is that the market is your friend, and you don't have to trade or invest against it. If you're going to trade or invest against the market, you lost. Yeah, you're not going to win. This is it for today, guys.